मुझे ना बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि तुम क्यों इतना कंप्लेन करती हो, तुम्हें तो सब कुछ मिला है, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ने अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ाया है, लिखाया है, इतनी फ्रीडम दी है, तुम इतना ट्रैवल करती हो। कितनी सारी औरतें हैं जो तुम्हारी इतना ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकती, कितनी ऐसी औरतें हैं जिनकी छोटी उम्र में शादी कराई जाती है। तुम 28 साल की हो, अब तक तुम्हारी शादी नहीं है, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ने तुमको इतनी छूट दी हुई है, फिर तुम इतनी प्रिविलेजेस होने के बावजूद क्यों तुम कंप्लेन करती हो? एंड माई माइंड जस्ट गोज बिच, नोबडी, लिटरली nobody handed me these things on a platter. Okay, I had to fight every step of the way from my childhood until now. This fight is continuing. I had to beg, I had to scream, I had to rebel, I had to offend people, I had to offend my loved ones, I had to cut off from my loved ones in order to get these things. And still they were seen as big things कि अगर किसी को ये सब चीज़ें मिली हैं, freedom to travel, education at par with men in the family, not being rushed to marry, not being forced to marry, मतलब कितनी ऐसी औरतों को जानती हूँ अपने ही सर्कल में who have married under pressure to men they did not want to get married to, and it breaks my heart. And for me to be able to rebel against this, मतलब आसान नहीं रहा है, बहुत सारी जजमेंट सहनी पड़ती है. Where I come from, people have said such horrible things about me, spread terrible rumors, vile, vicious things. Even though I am strong enough to not care about those people, my family does not have the same frame of reference as I do. So they often end up taking those things to heart. There are women who want to live as freely but are not able to because they see the shame and the judgment that is brought upon women like me. So they want to, but they don't do it out of fear. So when I do it, it comes at a price. It doesn't happen just aise hi. There's several things that I have to sacrifice, and there are women who choose not to do so. Sometimes for their own sake, sometimes for their parents' sake. And they say that I cannot complain.